Namaste Vidya, Sada Kushiro Vidya, myself Dr. Vidyasi, faculty of Department of Drug and Faculty of Fabric, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's Institute, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Today we discuss about Shalpani and Prashnapani. First of all, we discuss about Shalpani. Botanical name of Shalpani is Desmodium genzaticum. You should remember it, you should learn it. Desmodium genzaticum and family is Fabaceae. So both names are botanical name and family name you should learn. Desmodium genzaticum is botanical name of Shalpani and Fabaceae is family of Shalpani. कुल शिमले कुल कह सकते हैं अपन और अगर क्लासिक वी टॉक अबाउट क्लासिक कैटेगराइजेशन then Jack mentioned Shalparni in Angmark Prashman Mahakasha. This is very important question for competitive exams. Shalparni mentioned in Angmark Prashman Mahakasha by Charak. And the second is Balyamark Mahakasha, third is Nehopak Mahakasha, and Shavetur and Mathuriskan. Shushrup mentions Shalparni in Vidari Gandhadi and Laghu Panchambur Gana. So, so this most important question is Angavad Mahakashman. Angavad Prashman Mahakasha. Charak mentions Shalparni in Angavad Prashman Mahakasha. This is very important. And the Hindi name of Shalparni is Sarivan Shalparni. And now talk about synonyms and its meaning. First is Shalparni. The leaves look like shal leaves. The leaves of Shalparni looks like shal leaves, so it is called Shalparni. Anshumati, the roots are fibrous, so it is called Anshumati. Guha, the roots are deep-seated. The roots are deep-seated, so it is called Guha. Dirgandri, having long roots, so it is called Dirgandri. Vidarigandha, having the smell of Vidarigandha, so it is called Vidarigandha. Soumya, it has the action of rasayan like that of Som. Sthir gives strength to the body, so it is called Sthir. Triparni, having three leaflets, so it is called Triparni. Tanvika, a slender herb, so it is called Tanvika. Shul Roghari, alleviates painful condition, so it is called Shul Roghari. Shofagni, useful in Shof, so it is called Shofhari. Main features: it is slender herb having leaves like the shal. The roots are long, deep-seated, fibrous, having pleasant odor. The main actions are rasayan, alleviates painful condition and edema. Habitat: Utpatti Sthan, outer Himalaya up to 5,000 feet and throughout the India, flowering during rainy seasons. Habit: Swarup, a slender, sub-erect undershrub, 2.5 feet high, stem slightly angular, glabrous end branches, clothed with pressed with white hair. Leaves 1 foliate, petiole half to 1 inch, stipules 1.5 inch, linear, sub-persistent, leaflets half to 6 inches long, ovate, oblong, acute rounded, subchordate or truncate at the base, membranous, a coriaceous, glabrous, above gray purulence sweat. Main lateral nerve is conspicuous, racemose, copious, 6 to 12 inches long, axillary and terminal ridges and pedicles pubescent. Bracts minute, setaceous, flower innumerous, cross-set vesicles, calyx very small, finally downy tip longer than the tube. Corolla half-inch wide or tinged with uh, iliac, pod half to 3/4 inches, falcate deeply indented on the lower suture, joint 6 to 8, indecent and a little longer than broad, clothed with minute hooked hair. उपयुक्त अंग और part used: Mool and Panchang. The two main used part is Mool and Panchang. Description of the part: tap root poorly developed, but lateral root 15 to 30 centimeter long and 0.1 to 0.8 centimeter thick, uniformly cylindrical with a number of branches, surface smooth bearing a number of transverse light brown lenticles, bacterial nodules frequently present, light yellow fractures, fibrous, order not characteristics, taste sweetish and miscellaneous. Good. If we talk about Shalbani properties, first is Ras, Tikt and Madhur, and Veer is Ushna, Gun Guru, Vipak Madhur. That is the properties of Shalbani. After that, we discuss about Dosh Kamta, and Shalbani is the Dosh Shamak. Rogan Karn pharmacological actions of Shalbani is Deepan and Snehan, Anuloman, स्तंभन, क्रमिघ्न, हृदय, शोथर, कफग्न, वृश्य, बल्य, अंगमर प्रशमन, सर्वदोषहर, रासायनी, विषग्न. Amic प्रयोग, therapeutic uses. The root is boiled with milk and given in Hridya Rog. The root is boiled with milk and given in Hridya Rog. In Vatrak, the Shalpani and Pashupani are both types of Bhati pounded with milk and mixed with saturated drink. Should be taken in Vatrak, Salpani and Pashmani or both type of Brathi pounded with milk and mixed with saturated drink should be taken. In Netra Rog, root of Shalpani combined with rock salt and marica rubbed with shore gruel in a copper vessel should be used in Anjan. Destroy pill. In it destroy pill. In Shirashul hemicrania, the swaras of Shalpani is applied on the part snuffing with Shalpani swaras elevate hemicrania. The root paste on application on the navi, pelvis, vulva, etc. helps in uh, Shuk Prasav, a decoction prepared with shalpani, prashpani and food mixed with honey, pacifies Tridosha, Vikar and acts as Stambhan in Atisar. It is useful in Jwar, Vat Rog, Atisar, Vaman, Shot, Prameh, Ash, Krami, Rajyakshma. It is useful especially in Smasnalika Shot and Kupushot and Sutika Jwar. In Raktilkar, the Panchang Quat is given with Marich. Matra dosh 5 to 10 gram of the drug in powder form. 5 से 10 ग्राम तक इसकी मात्रा ली जाती है. After that 10 to 20 gram for decoction. Decoction 50 to 100 ml. औषधि of formulations of Shalpani is Dashmula Rist, Indukanta Ghat and Amrit Prash Ghat, Dashmul Palak Ghat, Dhanvantar Tel, Narayan Tel, Mahavishigar Tel, Mahanarayan Tel. That are the important formulations of Anshumati और Shalpani. Chemical constituents alkaloids होते हैं इसमें substitutes and adulterants. The drug is sometimes adulterated or even substituted with the root of Desmodium, Falcatum, Falcianum and Veca, especially in the material coming from Gravaceae. These are however short and thick in size. Similarly, the roots of Phalmigia chapar, Phalmigia sanguinata by the name of Bara salpine are also used as a substitute. In South India, roots of Uraria hermosa Wall and Sudaria viscida are considered the proper source of Shalpani. The Bhavaprakash Nigantu, as a classical reference, Bhavaprakash Nigantu says that Shalpani Stira Somya Triparni Tivari Guha Vidari Gandha Dirghangi Virpatra Ansumati Iti. These are the synonyms of Shalpani. After that, Bhavaprakash mentions the properties mm, and the pharmacological action of Shalpani. Shalpani, Guru, Chaddi, Jwar, Swan, Atisar, Jit, Shosh, Dosh, Trehari, Brangan Yukta, Rasayani, Tikta, Vishhari, Swado, Shat, Kas, Krami, Khanu. These are all about Shalpani. You should all learn about Shalpani. And after Shalpani, we discuss about Prashnapani. Prashnapani, botanical name is Uraria picta, family name is Fabaceae. You should learn about both botanical name and family name. Uraria picta, Fabaceae, Shimbikul. Charak mentions Prashnapani in Annuvarpasma Mahakashay, Sandhani Mahakashay, Shodhar Mahakashay and Madhuskanda. Angular Prashman, Sandhani, Shodhar and Madhuskanda. Shushut mentions Prashnapani in Vidari Gandhaji, Haridradi and Lagu Panchmur. Hindi name of Prashnapani is Pitwan or dabra. Then we should learn about synonyms and its meaning. Prashnapanni, a small herb having linear and long leaves. Prashmani, a small herb having linear and long leaves. Prathakpanni, the leaves are compound and the leaflets are apart. Prathakpanni, the leaves are compound and the leaflets are apart. And Chitrapanni, the leaves having variegated strips. The leaves are variegated strips. Coast to wind, the inflorescence look like the tail of fox. Coast to wind. The inflorescence looks like the tail of fox. Singh-Pucci, the inflorescence look like the tail of lion. Kalshi, the inflorescence look like a bunch of remote semen. The inflorescence look like a bunch of remote semen. Dhawni specifies dosha. Guha, roots are deep. Andhra gives strength. Andhra gives strength. Coastal Puchika. The inflorescence is dense terminal cylindrical racements resembling tail of jackal. Coastal Puchika also called Prashnapani. Languli, the inflorescence is long. Languli, the inflorescence is long. These are all synonyms of Prashnapani, Prashnapani, Prathakpani, Chitrapani, Kosturi. Singh Kuchi, Kalshi, promotes Dhawani and Guha, Andhravala, Kostupuchika and Languli. Main features. A small herb with the leaves stripped and leaflets are distinct. The inflorescence in dense terminal cylindrical racements resembling the tail of jackal or lion. It promotes strength and semen in the man and specifies dosha. Habitat Uzbekistan all over the India. Habit Swarup, a subtriticose sparingly branched perennial 0.9 to 1.8 meter high. Stem stout reaching 1.2 centimeter at the base. A suffering bronzy brains perennial 0.9 to 1.8 meter high. Stem stout reaching 1.2 centimeter at the base. Finally, downy and hooked hairs. Leaves in perineate 20 to 30 centimeter long. Petioles 3.8 to 6.3 centimeter long. Straight down stipules 1.2 centimeter long. Triangular, long, acuminate, sterolate. Leaflets on the upper part of the stem 5 to 7, rarely 9. Are rigidly subcoriaceous 10 to 20 by 1.2 centimeter linear oblong leaflet glossed with white. Glabrous above, finally reticulately veined and minutely pubescent banner. Base rounded, stipules substipulate 4.5 mm long. Leaflet at the lower part of the stem, 1 to 3 foliate, suborbicular or oblong. Flowers in closed fascicles along the edges of spiked, cylindric racemose, 15 to 30 centimeter long, 1.6 to 2 centimeter broad, rachis and pedicles downy, with hooked hair, pedicels 6 to 10 millimeter long, curved upwards after flowering so that the pods are in contact with the rachis. Brackets large, carious, striate, long, strongly ciliate, and upper lanceolated acuminate. The lower ovate acuminate completely concealing the bud, soon deciduous, calyx 4 mm long, teeth bulbous, subulate, much longer than the tube, pods glabrous, pale, lead-colored, joint 3 to 6, smooth polished, seed-like 3 by 2 mm, folded on one another. Upayut Ang, Mool and Panchang. The Upayut Ang is Mool and Panchang or part used Mool and Panchang. After that, we're talking about the properties of Prashnapani. And first is Ras, Madhur and Tit. Vrashya, Virya, Ushna and Gun, Laghu and Snit. Gun is Laghu and Snit, Vibhav is Madhur. Dosh Kamta, Prashnapani, Dosh Kamta. With Dosh Ramat, Rogan Kamta, pharmacological action, Deepni, Vrashya, Vathar, Sangrahi, Sandhaniya, Shodhar, अंगमर्द प्रशमन, दाह प्रशमन, ज्वरघ्न, अनुलोमन, हृदय, and Kapnisaraka, Mootral, Balya, and Vishagna. These are the pharmacological actions of Prashnaparni. Amik Prayog, therapeutic uses. A quath prepared out of bal and Prashnaparni useful in uh, Raktrat and Madatya. Raktash and Madatya. A quath prepared out of the bala and Prashnaparni is useful in Raktash and Madatya. The Mool Churan is given. The Mool is given with Mansaras for 21 days and Astibak. The Pancham Swaras is useful in Sarpish, H.S. Carnata. In Raktatisar, liquid gruel cooked with Prashnapani is given. For wound healing, Dhrat is prepared with Prashnapani, Kapikachu, Haridra, Daruhridra, Jati, Sharkara, Kakolya Dravya and used. In Vatrak, the roots of Prashnapani is boiled with Ajshir and sugar in added with added and given. Matra dose decoction 15 to 100 grams. Formulations Aushadhi Yoga. First is Dashmula, second is Dashmul Pachuran, and third is Lagu Panchmula. After that, we talk about substitute and adulterants. Roots of Desmodium jaggeticum are considered as source of Prashnapani in South India. Particular in Kerala, roots of Urea hermosa wall are frequently substituted in eastern and southern India. In North India, the drug is either available as whole earth and sometimes only as dried leaf. Elsewhere, root of Jasmentium, Desmodium and Clemenza are common adulterants. Chemical constituent alkaloid reduce sugar and steroid. After that, we talk about the classical effects of Bharuprakash. Then Bharuprakash says that Prashnaparni, Pratakparni, Chittaparni, ही अपनी पानी थी. वस्तु विन्ना सिंह पुची कलसी धाव निर्गुहा. प्रश्नपर्णी, दोषग्नि, वृषभूषणा, मधुरा असरा, अंति, दाज्वत सुहास, रक्तातिसार, रघुवमी. So this session is powered by Digital 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapith Women's Institute, Jaipur, Rajasthan. I hope you all are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you.